Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for network administrator engineers. These are scenario-based complex interview questions. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario based on the topic VLAN configuration and inter-VLAN routing. The scenario is you are responsible for configuring VLANs in a medium-sized company with 2 floors. The company has 3 departments: finance, HR, and operations. Each department should be in a separate VLAN and inter-VLAN routing is required. Design and implement the VLAN configuration with inter-VLAN routing to ensure efficient communication between departments. Being a CCNA network administrator, what solution you will choose? Now our solution is first solution, VLAN design. Design VLANs for finance, HR, and operations. Assign unique VLAN IDs for each department. For example, finance VLAN 10, HR VLAN 20, and operations VLAN 30. Our second solution is VLAN configuration on switches. Configure VLANs on the switches for each floor. Use commands like VLAN within bracket VLAN underscore ID to create VLANs. Assign switch port to the appropriate VLANs using interface range and switch port access VLAN within bracket VLAN underscore ID commands. Third solution, inter-VLAN routing. Configure inter-VLAN routing on a layer 3 switch or router. Create switched virtual interfaces SVIs for each VLAN. Use the interface VLAN within bracket VLAN underscore ID command to create SVIs and assign IP addresses. Our fourth solution is routing between VLANs. Ensure that routing between VLANs is enabled. Use a routing protocol like RIP or OSPF or configure static routes. On a router, use commands like IP routing to enable routing and configure static routes or dynamic routing protocols. Fifth solution, verification and testing. Verify connectivity between devices in different VLANs to ensure that inter-VLAN routing is functioning correctly. Use tools like ping to test end-to-end communication between devices in finance, HR, and operations VLANs. Our sixth solution is implement access control lists ACLs. Apply ACLs on the router to control traffic between VLANs. Define rules to permit necessary traffic and deny unwanted traffic. For example, permit traffic from finance to HR, but deny traffic from operations to finance. Our seventh solution is secure VLAN trunk links. Secure VLAN trunk links between switches by configuring them to allow only specified VLANs. Use switch port trunk allowed VLAN within bracket VLAN underscore list command. Implement techniques like Dynamic Trunking Protocol (DTP) security to prevent unauthorized trunking. Its solution: monitoring and optimization. Implement monitoring tools to keep an eye on VLAN traffic and performance. Optimize VLAN configurations based on network usage patterns and adjust subnet sizes if necessary. Our ninth solution is documentation. Document the VLAN and inter-VLAN routing configuration, including VLAN IDs, subnet details, and ACL rules. Provide documentation to IT staff for future reference and troubleshooting. Our 10th and last solution is training and communication. Conduct training sessions for IT staff to familiarize them with the new VLAN setup. Communicate any changes to end users in each department and provide support during the transition. This scenario involves configuring VLANs and inter-VLAN routing to facilitate network segmentation and efficient communication between different departments. If you are preparing for any CCNA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.